AI isn't just powering business, it's taking over creativity. From writing songs to making movies, AI is changing entertainment forever. The future of music and film might not be human, and it's happening faster than you think. AI can already create full songs in any style. From Drake-style tracks to film soundtracks, AI is producing music that sounds human-made. Tools like Suno and AIVA are giving anyone the power to make music instantly. Entire movie scenes are being generated by AI scripts, visuals, and even actors. Runway and Pika Labs can create realistic video from text, while AI voices replace dubbing and voiceovers. Games are becoming living worlds thanks to AI. Characters that think, adapt, and react differently every time you play are no longer science fiction. But there are risks, copyright issues, and the fear of losing human artists. AI is rewriting the rules of creativity. So, will the next big star be human or AI? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of creativity. Subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for weekly deep dives into AI, tech, and the future of creativity.